In this video, we will discuss the reporting capabilities in Reveal. Reports are designed to be flexible and easy to use. They are based on the industry standard HTML markup language. When you want to create a report at the end of your measurement, you have two options. On the screen is a simulated measurement previously acquired. You can either click Report on the main screen as shown here, which opens the reporting interface, or you can use this icon to open the same report interface. Again, either opens the report interface, which displays the currently selected report template with measurement data filled in. From here, you can either save the report to a PDF file by clicking here, or print it directly to a printer attached to your computer. Let's now discuss the elements of the reporting interface on the lower left side of the screen. First is the list of templates currently installed in Reveal. And to its right is a button to edit the currently displayed template. I'll discuss its function shortly. Again, to its right is a button to open the layout controls of the PDF printed document, allowing you to set size of the paper, portrait or landscape, and margins of the document. And finally, to its right is a button to save the report to PDF. On the far right side is a button to print the report directly to an attached printer as shown previously. Reports are quite flexible. What you see on the screen is a result of the report template being filled with data from the currently active data set. The interesting part is when you open the report editing tool by this button. From here, you can alter how the report looks and what results are displayed. The report template editor has a split window interface. On the left side, you can see the HTML code, which is responsible for creating the preview document on the right side of the screen. In Reveal, we have installed several report templates that can either be used as is or easily modified to meet your requirements. Adding a result is as simple as inserting a particularly formatted text in the HTML code. When the report generator parses the code, it replaces these tags, which are marked here in red, with a visual representation of those particular results or the numeric value of those results. So let's add to this template a new result. First, let's save this template under a new name. Now let's add here a new result. You add a new result by clicking this icon, which opens this interface. On the left side are listed all the analyses in Reveal and their related results. These, which can be either numeric results, which are marked in the second column as unitized value, or images such as maps, like phase, or simple text, for example in the case of Zernike type name. The results are identified by their analysis of origin and their name. So let's insert into the report the camera data frame by highlighting the data and clicking OK. Once the text string is inserted, you can click the refresh button and the result is inserted into the report preview screen on the right. So you can see here that we have inserted one of the simulated camera frame datasets from the original data acquisition. You can change the size of the bitmap or the color map used to render the image, etc., by modifying the text of the HTML code. After we save the template via the Save icon at the top and go back, you can see the modified template has been added to the template list. Opening this new template displays the new image map in the newly created report along with this new data. As a final note, the same editor can be brought up on the screen via this icon as well, and you can see report test is right here the same as earlier.